friends.
Welcome to South Brook, a charming town nestled in the heart of Newfoundland and Labrador. As we soar above this picturesque community, let's uncover the fascinating details that make it such a special place. While officially recognized in the 1940s, South Brook's roots run much deeper, with hints of its existence dating back even further. Historical records suggest that it may have served as a winter community for over 70 years prior, echoing with the stories of the Beothuk and Mi'kmaq peoples who once roamed these lands. Steeped in history and surrounded by natural beauty, South Brook boasts a diverse tapestry of industries. From its strong ties to logging to the days when a rabbit canning factory thrived, the town's economy has been shaped by its natural resources and enterprising spirit. Located near the northern terminus of the Trans-Canada Highway, South Brook serves as a gateway to adventure. The Dorset Trail, also known as Highway 410, beckons travelers to explore the rugged landscapes of Newfoundland's north, leading them on a journey of discovery through Baie Verte to Fleur-de-Lys.
watching.